Are you asking me what I'm doing? Valentine? Are you talking to me? I told you I'm getting ready to work. I got a lot of work to do before Keaton and Abby come. Yes. I just told you what I'm doing. At least give me a whistle. Okay, give me something different. I just told you. Can't you say you love me? Something different? Come on. Oh boy. Party time, something different. Can you do that for me? Come on, Valentine, come on. Can you say hello? Now you'll stop talking. Won't you? Unless I maybe ignore you. Come on, something different. What you say, mate? How about that? Party time. I love you. Come on. Anything but asking me what I'm doing. You're always asking me what I'm doing. All right, tell everybody bye-bye. I love you. Say I love you, y'all. Bye. Come on, something. Guess not. All right, maybe another time. Everybody have a great weekend. A blessed one for that matter. Now you want to talk? Come on up. Come on up. Come on. Come on up. Come on, Dusty. Let's go.